By following along with this content, you recognize that activities related to yoga involve physical activities which may cause injury. You understand that you must judge your own capabilities with respect to any activity. By continuing with this class, you agree to participate at your own risk. If you have any pre-existing medical conditions or concerns, it is your responsibility to consult with a healthcare provider prior to and regarding your participation. You confirm that you are physically and mentally capable of participating in yoga-related activities. You agree to waive and release Be Yoga, its instructors, staff, and affiliates from any claims related to personal injury, whether caused by negligence or otherwise. Continuing with the rest of this class constitutes acceptance of the waiver of liability. Hello and welcome to Be Yoga. Start in a comfortable standing position, feet about hip distance apart or wider. Ground down into the floor. Grip down with your toes, almost like you're trying to claw the ground. Press firmly into the heels. Slight bend in the knees. Inhale the arms up overhead. Slight arch in the back. Strong core. Breathe here. Big inhale through the nose. Exhale, lean over to the right. Ah, there's a spider. Okay, sorry. We're leaning still. Oh God, it's still on my arm. Oh, we're fine. Leaning to the right. Strong side body. Inhale the arms up, back to center. Exhale, lean over to the left. Big, deep breaths. On your next inhale, come back to center. Exhale, let the arms fall down by your side. Shake it out. Take a big inhale through the nose. Exhale out the mouth with a sound. Inhale through the nose. Exhale out the mouth. Hug the right knee into the chest. Release. Hands on the hips. Ground down into your supporting leg. And rotate that right leg in circles. Grab onto something if you need to. A chair, a wall. My imaginary wall here. Switch directions. Whoa, lose your balance a little. That's fine. We'll just come back. Strong glute here. Strong thigh. Whoa. Settle your movements on the right. Switch your balance over onto that right foot. Inhale the right knee into the chest. Release. Hands on the hips. Chair or a wall. Just hip goes down and around in circles. Breathe. Keep the core strong and steady. One big line from the hips to the shoulders to the crown. Switch direction. Settle your movements. Paw the ground with your feet. Shift your weight side to side. Find your balance over on that left, or on your right, over on your right leg, and step to the back side of your mat. So shift over, find the balance, hug the knee into the chest, bend into that bottom leg, cross your right leg over, and then sit down into the hips. Breathe here. Try to keep the hips pointed forward. Big strength in the supporting leg. Come standing. Step your left foot down onto the ground. Kick your right foot back. Toes are pointed down toward the ground. Flex the foot so our calf muscle is engaged. Kick back. Step the right foot back behind your left. So you're almost in like a curtsy. And we'll bend into that back leg. Inhale, come up. Kick back again. Straighten the leg, kick back. Or even bend the leg, kick back. Stand tall, step. Kick back the left. Toes pointed down at the ground. Flex the calf. Cross the leg over. Plant the foot. Bend into that back knee. Hands in prayer or on the hips. Inhale, come up. Kick the leg back again. Power kick back. Engage the glute. Or bend the leg. Kick back. Come to standing. Step onto your left foot. Hug the knee into the chest. Bend into your supporting leg. Cross the right leg over the left. Hands in prayer or on hips. Sit back. Or even hands come together, forearms come together, elbows come together. Hips pointed forward. Breathe. Inhale to stand. Uncross. Plant the right foot down. Shake it out. How are we feeling? A little bit of fun back and forth that we've got going here. So we're going to start back at the top of the mat where we ended and go backwards. Kick the left leg back, cross the leg over, plant the foot, bend, curtsy lunge, hands in prayer on hips or down by the side. Step back up, kick back, plant the foot, kick back the right leg, cross it over, curtsy lunge, stand tall, kick back, step, hug the left knee into the chest, bend into your right leg, cross the knee over, eagle. Come to stand, step, kick back, cross, curtsy, stand, kick back, step, kick back, cross, curtsy, kick back, step, hug the knee into the chest, bend into the left leg, cross the right knee over, eagle, stand tall, step the right foot, kick the left leg back, cross it over, curtsy, inhale to stand, kick back, plant the foot, kick back, cross the leg over, plant the foot, curtsy, come to stand, kick back, step, hug the left knee into the chest, whoop, bend into the right knee, cross the left leg over, eagle, give yourself more of a challenge, cactus the arms, exhale, bring the ribs in, inhale to stand, drop the arms by your side, plant the left foot, kick the right foot back, cross it over, curtsy lunge, stand tall, kick back, step, kick back, cross, plant, curtsy, stand tall, kick back, step, hug the knee into the chest,
Bend into the left knee, cross the right knee over, bend some more, hips are pointed forward. Option, arms out in cactus. Breathe. Exhale, stand tall, drop the arms by your side, shake it out. Shake it, shake it, shake it, girl, shake it, girl. Okay, now that we've got our jitters out, come down onto your knees. Kneeling. Toes tucked or untucked. Either way, press the feet down into the mat. Magnetize the inner thighs together. Slightly engage the glutes. Hands on the low back or sacrum, like so. Elbows back behind you, coming toward each other. Big inhale to elongate the spine. Feel the natural arch begin to arch back. Your eyes only going as far as your sternum. Use the hands for support. High abdomen engagement. Keep the back bend up in the upper back. Slowly lean forward with your legs, and then your head and neck follow. Shake out the arms. Place the hands down onto the ground or fists. Step back into a plank. Create space so you can bring your right leg forward, placing your shin down on the ground. Untuck the back toes. Press the back leg down into the mat. Magnetize the legs together so you're almost creating like a zoop sensation. If you'd like to, lay over your front thigh. Maybe rock the hips side to side. If you're lying down over the front leg, use your hands to press yourself up. Twist using the sternum as your guide. Point the sternum toward that front knee. Untwist. Press yourself back into a plank. Shift to the other side. Adjust as needed. This is a very passive, comfortable pose. We're not looking for high engagement. Press the foot and the leg down into the ground. Elongate the spine. Magnetize the front and the back legs together so they're trying to like dig down into the ground. Shift the hips side to side. Option to lay over that front thigh. Use your hands to press yourself up. Engage the core. Use the sternum as a guide. Twist. Not using my hands. Twist. Like, use your hands for support if you need help being upwards. But what I mean is not using my hands to throw myself into a twist. So, lose the arm engagement. Twist. Then you can support yourself again. Keep the core tight. Untwist. Press yourself back into a tabletop position. Walk your knees forward and make your way to a comfortable seated position. Just a little PW. Little PW going by. I love dirt bikes. If you'd like to continue with me for the meditation, head on over to the Patreon. You'll find a huge library of yoga flows. I post 2 to 3 new yoga flows over on Patreon every month. Plus, you get the YouTube flows early, 2 weeks early. But yeah, if you'd like to continue with the meditation portion of the video, head on over to the Patreon where you can find this flow ad-free and extended with the meditation. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.